This video's all me. Just got the truck bed off. Last month I changed the water pump and a bunch of miscellaneous parts under the hood here. Cleaned up. New heater core. Windshield wiper motor. Blow fan. Painted the wheel wells. All new hoses, new radiator. There's still some more parts. New belts. New overflow. Couldn't find the right one for the windshield wiper. That one will turn yellow soon, I'm sure. I'll show this back here. This video won't be long, it'll cut off on me. Yep. Last time I took this truck bed off, I cleaned all this up and undercoated it. It looks spotless and brand new. It's about 10 years of funk. So I'm about to roll her out and clean her up again. Main reason for taking the bed off is to paint all this correctly. Yes, sir. Still got some more body work to do on the doors, mainly in here. It's got some waves and low spots. Fenders are done. Hood's almost done. The block sand didn't find anything left. And then the doors will have to come off. I gotta make something so I can mount this bed to a cart and roll it around. Yeah, drop in the comments if you guys know something good. It's pre-made already, not too expensive. I can roll this bed around on. If not, I'm gonna build something. Put some wheels on it. There's a lot of body work left on this bed. Main reason I wanted it off is to hammer and dolly all these corners out. I couldn't get a good swing on the inside with the wheel in the way and the frame. Grind all the filler back out of this, do some more metal work. Start over there, both sides. Don't ask me about painting body. There's no way I would do this for other people. You couldn't pay me enough. I don't even know how it's gonna come out. I'm testing myself. Yeah, same thing here. I just kind of quit with the sanding. I knew I was going to have to come back and hammer and dolly this out. Just got the wrong contour there. There she is. I'm gonna keep doing videos on this just to archive it. Like I said, this is for me. Getting back into the last few collectibles too. It'll be ending soon, but I'll show then. I do some custom painting. Quit on the Studio Series figures back